I had the weirdest dream, like I was asleep for a year. Then I like... It got a little...
Whoa!
Got a little something.
Our puberty finally kicked in!
It's a good thing my follicles are asleep, too.
How long were we sleeping?
You ever think there's more to life than
So
sitting in a basement watching This Ain't the Monsters?
So green.
Do you ever feel like we've done this before?
What?
We need something that will turn our lives around. Being in a band didn't work. Giving people flowers didn't work. What will make our lives better?
I got it. We should kill ourselves.
No, I tried that one already. Remember, I hung myself. It's too bad that you guys had to do that seance.
Yawns.
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 Yawns. I know what we should do.
Yawns.
We need to capture Big Bird.
Well, I was actually, besides suicide, I was going to suggest porn stars, like our hero Evan Stone. But capturing Big Bird makes sense to me. I mean, what could go wrong?
Yes, but how? How will we capture the flightless giant yellow bird? We pull up in the dead of night, wearing masks. One is a wheelman, one man jumps out, captures the big bird, wraps a towel around his head, gives him a couple shots for good measure, throws him in the back of the car, loads up as quickly as possible, and drive back to headquarters.
Yes, capturing Big Bird. That's the answer to all our problems. We're going to gym.
Okay, man. It's gonna be okay, man. No one sauce. No one sauce, man.
Oh no! My mask is on!
No one sauce, man. No one sauce.
We're going to jail!
Okay. It's okay. We're clear. We're clear, man. We're clear.
Oh my god, it's a bunny! Oh my god!
No one sauce, man. We got in there. We got out of there. It was fine, man. It's fine.
I'm gonna have to shave my beard now.
No, don't shave the beard, man. Don't shave the beard. He's dead.
He's dead?
We killed him. Come take a look, man.
okay, man? I know that's hard for you. I know, man. I'm worried too, man. I can't handle jail, man.